If CapCut PC is giving you export problems, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. Whether your export is failing, stuck, crashing, or showing a pro-only warning, these solutions should help you get back on track without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common cause of export issues in CapCut, and that is Pro features accidentally added to your project. CapCut updates a lot of effects, transitions, text styles, and audio elements from free to pro, and even one pro item on your timeline can block the export if you're using the free version. So go through your entire timeline carefully and look for any small pro labels on clips, text templates, audio, effects, or transitions. If you find one, delete it from the timeline or replace it with a free alternative. This is one of the fastest ways to fix the export problem, because sometimes the issue isn't your computer at all, it's just one premium asset stopping the render. While you're in the export area, also check the watermark settings. In some versions of CapCut, trying to toggle the watermark off can trigger a pro requirement or cause the export button to behave strangely. If CapCut prompts you in a way that looks like it wants a paid upgrade just to export, leave the watermark setting on its default option and continue with the free export path. This small detail can make a big difference. Now, if the project still won't export properly, the next fix is to disable hardware encoding. Sometimes, your graphics card configuration can interfere with rendering and cause CapCut to freeze, crash, or stop midway through the export. To change this, click the menu option in the top left corner of CapCut, then open Settings and go to the Performance tab. From there, look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding and uncheck it. After that, click Save, then go back and try exporting your video again. This forces CapCut to use a safer rendering method, which often solves export issues on many PCs. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to change is your codec settings. A highly compressed codec can sometimes make exporting slow, unstable, or completely stuck, especially on longer videos. When you open the Export menu, find the codec dropdown. If it's set to HEVC, switch it to H.264 instead. H.264 is usually much more compatible, and is the better choice if you want a smooth export process. Also, make sure your format is set to MP4 rather than MOV, because MP4 is generally more reliable and works better across most software and devices. This one change alone often fixes export problems that seem impossible at first. So to recap, if CapCut PC is not exporting correctly, start by removing any pro-only elements from your timeline. Then check the watermark behavior, disable hardware encoding in performance settings, and switch your export codec to H.264 with MP4 format. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue quickly and get your project exported properly. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.